All right, our focus question. Remember on Monday, we found the mode, which is the number we saw the most of. On Tuesday, we found the range, which was the biggest number, and might you subtract the smallest number? Yesterday, we found the median. So the median was the middle. And today, we're going to find the mean. So the mean is going to be the average. So we're going to add, then divide. So we're going to add all the numbers up and then divide by the total number. So then divide by total number of numbers. So first off, we are going to add 0 plus 2 is going to be 2, plus another 2 is going to be 4, plus 4 is going to be 8, plus 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 6 is going to be 18, so we have 18. And then we're going to divide it by how many numbers are there? Well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. So we're going to divide it by 6. So 18 divided by 6, well, I know 18 can go into 6 3 times. So our mean is going to be 3. Our mean or our average is going to be 3. I know 6 can go into 18 3 times. You get 18, you subtract, you get 0. And that is going to be it for the focus question. Great job.